In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Notion pages with others. Whether you're working with a team, collaborating on a project, or simply want to share your personal notes with friends, knowing how to effectively share your Notion pages can make a big difference in your productivity and collaboration efforts. To get started, open up Notion and navigate to the specific page you want to share. This could be a page that contains your notes, a project plan, or whatever it is you need to share with others. Once you have the page open, you'll notice a Share button located in the top right-hand corner of the screen. This is the key to sharing your pages with others. When you click the Share button, a new window will appear with several different sharing options. The first thing you might want to do is decide whether you want to share the page with people specifically within your workspace, or if you want to share it more broadly via a public link. Notion provides you with both options, which offers flexibility depending on how you intend to collaborate. If you're sharing with specific people or within a team environment, you'll see an option to invite people by entering their email addresses. Type in the email addresses of everyone you want to invite to view your page. You'll notice that beside the field for email addresses, there's a drop-down menu for setting permissions. This is a crucial step as it allows you to determine the level of access each person will have. You can choose to give them full access if they need to edit and manage the page fully, can edit if they only need editing capabilities, or can comment if they should only leave comments without altering content. For those who want to share the page more widely or with people outside of your immediate workspace, you can enable the Share to Web option. This will generate a public link that anyone with the link can access. Keep in mind that while this is convenient, it's important to consider the privacy of the information you're sharing, since anyone with the link can view it unless you toggle additional settings to protect certain sections. Remember, once you've set and reviewed the sharing permissions, click Invite or simply share the link with those who need it. And that's it for sharing Notion pages. With these steps, you can easily collaborate, share ideas, and connect with your team or friends. Be sure that whenever you share content, you're mindful of privacy settings to ensure that your information is only visible to those you intend to share it with. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you make the most out of your Notion workspace. Stay tuned for more tips and guides on how to optimize your digital workflow.